By way of knockout.
Di atas kertas, dia adalah petinju dengan tinggi 157 cm dan berat 57 kg.
WBA Featherweight Champion of the World.
Namun jangan pernah menganggapnya remeh saat berada di atas ring. Lihatlah apa yang dapat dilakukannya.
He's got the stoppage. Got there. Ball is irrepressible. Ball seems unstoppable. Knee shot. He's not so relentless with the jab.
Ya, namanya adalah Nick Ball, petinju asal Inggris yang kini adalah pemegang gelar kelas bulu WBA dan telah menorehkan rekor 22 pertarungan tanpa kekalahan. Sejak memulai karir profesional pada bulan Juni 2017, Nick Ball sudah menunjukkan gaya bertarung yang agresif serta kecepatan dan dagu yang kuat. Satu persatu lawan pun dapat dikalahkannya. Dengan tinggi 157 cm dan berat 57 kg, Nick Ball membuktikan jika ukuran tubuh hanyalah sebatas angka. Dan kini, mari kita lihat beberapa pertarungannya. Pertarungan-pertarungan yang akan memompa adrenalin dan juga meninggalkan tanda tanya besar. Bagaimana mungkin seorang petinju yang terlihat kecil dibanding lawannya bisa mendominasi di atas ring?
Featherweight Champion Nick the Ripping Ball.
Ini adalah pertarungan saat Nick Ball mempertahankan gelar kelas bulu WBC Silver dari petinju asal Namibia, Nathanael Kakololo.
Very explosive. Then yes, he's got the power. He's got to somehow close that gap, maybe his opponent, and whip the shot over the top. And as I say that, got to be careful as well, Richie, how many he takes on the way in, hasn't he, Ball? That's the best punch so far from Nick Ball.
Meskipun dengan postur yang kurang menguntungkan, Nick terus menekan lawan dengan serangan balik yang cerdas.
He's holding his feet, making mistakes like that. Starting to land more and more on the head of... Oh, that was a cracking right hand. What? Nick Ball just falling a little bit short, but he got through them. Gets him into his own corner towards the end of the third round.
Di ronde kelima, Nick meningkatkan tempo serangan.
When they were face to face yesterday, I think he might have changed that assessment based on what he's been up against so far. And again, Kakololo. Nick Ball starting to break him down, starting to get near. There were big punches, and again from Ball right now. He's had ample opportunity, but Ball again extremely quick on the...
Pukulan demi pukulan dilancarkan dengan presisi.
Manages to get a really good seventh round here tonight. The target, as I say, the chin, but that's a belting punch again with a right hand. To try and draw Kakololo in. Back he comes. We talk about the resilience in the iron chin. You know, he's put a lot of work into this and big punches again. But one that he's relishing again. Throw punches so he can counter. That's a great shot, left hook. Right hand went in as well. Oh, what a shot that was. Kakololo is still in there. He's still dangerous. The quality, the power is coming from. Oh, that's a really good left hook, Richie, as well. Oh, good work.
Pada akhirnya, wasit menghentikan pertarungan di ronde ke-12, menandai kemenangan spektakuler bagi Nick Ball.
No question there. That's a good shot by Ball. Try and keep him off. Ball again with lefts and rights. Looking to try and get the uppercut through. Well, I've lost count of how many have bounced off, and he turned his back. He's got the stoppage. Well, he does get the stoppage. And he's hitting with absolutely everything. Right hand over the top. Look at that one there. The left hook followed through. Shots went in. Desperate for the stoppage. Kakololo turned his back.
And still, WBC silver featherweight champion, Nick Paul.
Masih di tahun yang sama, Nick menghadapi Jesus Ramirez Rubio. Di hadapan lawan tangguh asal Meksiko ini, Nick menunjukkan kecepatan luar biasa. Hanya dalam 50 detik pertama, hook kiri yang mematikan membuat Rubio terjatuh.
5.5 years ago, he's been Mauricio Lara.
Tanpa ragu, Nick mengulangi triknya, membuat Rubio kembali tersungkur. Meskipun Rubio sempat bangkit, serangan kombinasi pukulan kiri kanan yang akurat dari Nick membuat pertarungan berakhir dengan cepat dan dramatis.
Nick the Wrecking Ball!
Dominasi Nick di atas ring masih terus berlanjut. Ketika pada bulan November 2023, Nick bertarung melawan mantan juara dunia WBO, Isaac Dogboe, dalam pertarungan yang menentukan kesempatan perebutan gelar dunia WBC.
Dogboe, very experienced, starting this contest high guard, there's not a lot getting through you. Dogboe again there, some good shots going in from she's from orthodox to southpaw. He operates critters quite well. It's a good shot by Nick Paul, he really whips it in. Good punches from...
Di tengah pertahanan rapat Dogboe, Nick dengan gigih berhasil membongkar strategi lawan dan meraih kemenangan angka sekaligus membuka jalan bagi bab selanjutnya dalam karir Nick Paul.
Like I say, Dogboe, he would have expected Paul to slow down. Well, there's the final bell.
And still, WBC Silver Featherweight Champion. And it will be for the WBA Featherweight Championship.
Pertarungan ini adalah momen saat Nick Paul berhasil merebut gelar kelas bulu WBA dari tangan petinju Amerika, Raymond Ford.
The reigning and defending WBA Featherweight Champion of the World.
Ray Vargas's WBC Featherweight title, now he gets a crack at the WBA.
Sejak ronde pembukaan, agresivitas Nick langsung terlihat.
Balls all over it.
He has space behind him, and this is really good work. Wow.
With ball, you'll be matching him punch for punch. Good work again, those fast hands.
Walaupun Ford mencoba menjaga jarak untuk menyerang balik, Nick terus-menerus menekan dengan serangan yang konsisten.
Good uppercut from Nick Paul, and again. Oh boy, you're talking the wrong man. And that uppercut just can't miss from Paul.
Bahkan luka di hidung akibat pukulan Ford tak mampu menghentikannya.
Get close, those shots round the top and away from that red corner. Oh, good body work from Paul, gets the point. And of course Nick Paul wouldn't get the title either.
Pertarungan yang sengit ini akhirnya dimenangkan Nick dengan keputusan angka.
Your winner and new WBA Featherweight Champion of the World.
Nick Paul, world champion. How does that feel?
Sounds good, yeah. Yeah, I'm looking forward to watching it back, but yeah, I'm sure it was a good fight for everyone watching.
Boxing fans here in Liverpool.
Di depan sorotan para penonton di kota Liverpool, Nick mempertahankan gelar pertamanya dalam pertarungan melawan Ronnie Rios.
We know about this power right from the get-go. Sharp jab and you can keep your distance.
Sejak bel berbunyi, Nick langsung menyerang. ingin membuktikan bahwa dialah sang juara.
See how tough Rios is here, and again big shots go.
At this stage in his career, landing those shots tonight, he's too square.
Ronnie Rios mencoba membalas, namun pukulan demi pukulan dari Nick Ball membuatnya terjatuh di ronde ketiga.
Punch. And again, these are cracking shots from Ball.
Oh, fantastic. Almost out of this world. Certainly world class. Rios springs to his feet. Bud Williams is looking in his eyes. Ball is irrepressible. Ball seems unstoppable. Ball fighting like this seems destineless.
Yeah, incredible again. He's actually more vulnerable when he lets his hands go, Ronnie Rios. He actually lets his hands go for him.
In terms of defiance, last few seconds of this third round.
Banyak yang mengira jika pertarungan akan berakhir di ronde keempat setelah melihat aksi yang terjadi di ronde sebelumnya. Namun nyatanya, Ronnie Rios memberi perlawanan, menyebabkan luka di hidung sang juara. Dan lagi-lagi, Nick tidak terpengaruh dengan cairan merah yang terus keluar dari hidungnya. Dia terus menyerang, berusaha mendapatkan kemenangan KO.
He goes over Rios, and it's going to be counted as a knockdown. Rios doesn't agree with that.
Power puncher.
Petrol on the fire too soon. I don't think he fell for that. Do you?
Hingga akhirnya, kombinasi Nick Ball di ronde ke-10 membuat sang penantang tersungkur keluar ring.
Ring rust was so apparent early on.
You see, it's perfect boxing that is. He's boxing at long range with the jab to set up the power shots that follow.
Pouring on the pressure. Rios is out of the ring. Will Bob Williams give him the time to get back in? He crawls under the bottom rope. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. His will to keep going.
Walaupun sempat kembali berdiri, tim sudut Ronnie Rios menyatakan menyerah di ronde ini.
The towel's in.
It's all over. And Nicky Ball has retained his world title here in Liverpool. Ronnie Rios is saved by his own corner.
Incredible.
Sekian dulu video kali ini. Selamat beraktivitas dan sampai jumpa di video lainnya.
Setting up behind the jab.